Let's get it.
Alright.
What's up, guys?
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm Andre.
I'm Milton.
I'm Tristan.
And this is ATV. This is chapter 10 of RWBY.
Season 6, yeah.
Pretty much in the last episode, they have Mercury and Emerald got in a little scuffle.
Yeah.
And their minds are probably gonna change about what they're doing.
We met a mystery girl.
Yeah. Then
Pierce
Oscar. They thought Oscar went running.
Yeah, but
But
it looks like he got new glow gear.
Yeah, it looks like he went just shopping in time to think or something. They didn't actually say. He was just
And
back in the
Ruby
house.
yelled at Crow.
And then
Yeah. And then no, Chris Crow's being like
He's being a liability.
being a dead weight.
and then John met the crazy person looking for Oscar, which
And then Oscar was making casserole. It was burning. We got this, bro.
Yeah.
Which
So,
is a mystery.
oh gosh, a mystery.
and with that said,
Now he has plus 30 armor.
with all that said, let's just get into the video.
This
No,
is how the
probably-
war begins.
Is how the war begins.
Probably not much.
Wait, I want to see if this is also
There before.
This is not a skirmish. This is not airspace confusion. This is not a terrorist
There we
action.
go.
Every single time it's different spots
Yeah.
too.
Aliens
It's so
making their
weird.
way.
Is that intentional or what? What's that?
How's this message?
Maybe they get to cut the parts. That's what it does. And it says
Gotta turn that heater on, bro. Guys, please donate a heater to.
We have one right there. It's just not
problem
on.
is, I don't want to turn it on. The last time I had that on, it turned everything down.
It, like heated everything.
No, I guess there was too much power running through the base. So it just shut everything off. The breaker.
I thought it would break like your electronics, start melting stuff.
And my computer wasn't able to turn it on for a while, so we wouldn't be able to.
Him or Neo.
Neo, good guy? Yes, please.
Good guy.
Actually, I want to see some Matrix action.
You saw that.
They have chocolate, half fruit.
How much episodes are there usually?
All one. Oh, yeah, there's actually a golden thing.
Does that mean it's all thing?
I don't know. Unless they go for the old 24 anime.
Season 7, we're gonna see Naruto in the game. Season 7. Yeah, they just need to break in. Yeah, that's easy.
Steal one of those.
I was relieved to hear that you came to your senses, Mishni.
Is everyone in that?
We were devastated
No
when we
way.
heard you would be attending.
No, that's not inside that.
Knowing that she'll be returning to Atlas just warms my
Why
old
she?
heart.
Yeah, that's
It
what I
was
was wondering
time to
too.
get my
She a
act
friend, I
together
wanna
and go back to my
make her
roots.
visit.
Oh, I can't wait to see you follow in your sister's footsteps.
Absolutely.
I'm sending 2 of my best guards to personally
I think she's not that
escort
dumb though.
you. Make sure General
you
Ironwood
think?
hears that part.
No, I think she. I just think that.
I think she's playing around.
Allow
too.
me to assist you with
No,
your
I think
back.
she thinks that.
Hi, what
The
a
wife
heavy
section.
That's all right.
nonsense.
Really?
Allow me to assist as well.
I can take care of it by myself.
See?
Just like we practiced.
Oh,
no! Look at that! He's just going to miss you so much! You should hurry on out of here!
Child, we must console it.
That was close.
Is everything okay?
Call me heavy. It's all muscle.
Oh, so late. It's
We're on board.
All
right. We'll all watch our scrolls. The second
GR
place is out of
called
range of the comm tower. That'll mean she's out of range of the radar too. And that's when Blake steps in. We're almost at the drop-off.
So they're gonna meet them there.
Remember, 1, the radar box is separate from the rest of the
Was she a hacker or
communications
something?
equipment.
Damn.
So if you disconnect it properly, it won't take out comms for the rest of the city. 2, this conversation never happened.
Don't worry. This isn't the first time I've disabled Atlas security.
Never happened.
Man, they have so much
You
experience
sure I
on
shouldn't
this.
come with? More intruders means we're more likely to be seen.
You're crackling that.
Besides, stealth
No.
isn't exactly your
How's she not
I
cold,
mean,
bruh?
you're
Know
great,
that jacket
and they'll
goes
hurry
over.
back. Go.
She's saying Yang isn't gonna be stealthy.
Heading in on foot. Won't be long.
Yes, it's all going to plan. I mean, Roger.
I hope it goes to plan.
Hey, this is gonna work.
Yeah.
It's not gonna work. Something's gonna go wrong.
Global communication's going down. Yo, don't leave your iPhone like that, bro.
Miss Lee, for your own safety, we must request.
Kill them! Slit their throat.
Gosh damn, that was...
This parachute won't excuse you of your treachery!
They're so extra, bro.
And you're sure you can fly this?
Oh.
Missy, I was the Grim Reaper. What part of best huntress of her generation don't you understand?
Right, but
What does
your
that-
eyes.
Because
What does this have to do about anything?
You were saying that you said your eyes were in desperate need of repair.
no, maybe she's just experienced in flying ships. I don't know. She's always
Yeah,
like
being the best huntress doesn't have anything to do with being a pilot, though.
I guess
Maybe-
I guess
maybe-
back in her day it was because
Maybe it means just like having a wider variety of skills too.
maybe she's
Yeah,
just like
piloting doesn't have to be one of them.
or she just flexing on them.
All right, guys, this is it. Blake, you're up.
I want to see if she actually is.
Oh,
But she obviously can do fine.
something wrong. Could be a grim attack.
Yang? What's going on?
I don't know.
Man, we've got something on radar.
And who would be foolish enough to enter our airspace unannounced?
Apparently, us, ma'am.
Wait, why are they going back?
This is Argus base. We see you circle back. What's your status? Over.
Why can they see us? Somebody dropped the ball. Don't worry. I've worked with Atlas forces before. I know their jargon. Argus base, this is Manta 5-1. Feel free to gap off. Thought we were going to scrub due to FOD, but we're back up and green across the board. Over.
Manta 5-1, return to base immediately or you will be treated as hostile. Over.
I thought you said you knew their jargon!
Jargon was fine, but our pilots aren't elderly women.
Oh.
Well, they got me there.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah,
She
yeah,
didn't
yeah,
change
yeah.
her voice,
It's going.
anything.
Why would you kids let me fly this thing?
Calavera! You and those insolent children are up to something, aren't you?
You thought you could undermine my authority? If you don't return my ship this instant, I will make an example out of you. I will show you the true might of Atlas.
You hear that, Cordo?
She's so savage.
Not caring!
Oh no.
Ruby, we're in trouble. Cordo's
She's
onto
like
us.
crazy.
And Maria
That's
isn't
why she has
helping.
solo.
Why
You
is
don't
the
have
radar
team.
still up?
We don't know. Blake isn't responding.
What do we do?
Keep the
What
ship in one
happened to
piece.
Blake?
Blake get intercepted?
Maybe we should fly over to help Yang and Blake first?
Damn it! Cordo's gonna scramble her fighters. We've got maybe 90 seconds before they're in the air and all over Weiss and Maria. This is all my fault.
What are you talking about? Your semblance?
Every choice I've ever made has led me here. I dragged you along with me.
That's why he doesn't want to be with them.
Myself, the others. We're responsible for the mess the world's in now. I shouldn't have come. Shouldn't have let any of you come. What was I thinking?
Maybe it can work in your favor, Crow. Coon.
We're all in this together, and we're all going to do the best we can.
That's all anyone can do. And I know it's what you've always aimed for. We would have come whether or not you'd let us, so stop talking like we're your responsibility. We're not. But we could still use Crow Bronwyn on our side.
I wonder if Crow was like there's something special about his semblance.
That's why he's so bad luck.
Like it has to be something I feel like more
How
than
did
just
you grow
bad
up
luck.
so fast?
I had good role models.
Guys? She's not sending fighters.
Uh-oh. Sending rockets. And then...
Sending
I
mechs.
kind of don't like when they do that in series. Like,
Oh,
Yang
you
said
could be
they're-
right! You could be right!
Yeah, but I don't like when they do that kind of stuff in series. Like, oh, she's not sending fighters.
Uh-oh!
How do you know? You don't even see it yet.
No, he had a feeling he'd come back.
I just don't kind of like when they do that in series. Like,
oh yeah,
Yang didn't. I mean, Bryce didn't even see it yet.
Oh yeah.
Clearly the people have forgotten that they live in peace thanks to the awesome might of Atlas.
My goodness.
Cordovin?
Big legs.
It's Genlock now.
A reminder!
It's Genlock. I didn't know we were seeing it so early. Jesus Christ.
Are you okay? I am, but she's clearly lost her mind.
And that was merely a warning shot.
All Atlas personnel stand by and watch how your leader maintains order.
Damn. Oh no! Use your silver eyes.
It doesn't work.
On mechs. It doesn't work on mechs. Some big legs.
Why does it look like it can't stand up fully?
Maybe it's an old robot.
Hurry back, Weiss. I need you on the ground if we're gonna take this thing down.
Why is the radar up? We don't know. What's so funny?
What's happening? Maybe she can't handle the security. What's happening? Oh!
It's nice to finally have time to ourselves, don't you think?
Leave me alone!
Why is he
But
here?
I've waited so long for you to be away from them.
Are you following them?
Why did you have to come into my life and ruin everything?
You stalked me across Anima. I don't want
Okay, she
anything
has
to do
silver.
with your life.
Adam's one of those creepy.
I think Adam just needs to die. That'll solve all his problems.
It's so vulnerable.
I guess he's still covering his eyes. But something even more than a mask. It's actually blindfolded.
Could it be blindfold?
That's what it looks like. There's no holes in that.
That was a hard fall.
Is he blind? Like, what is...
Let go of the past, Adam. Do it for yourself.
Just forget it all? Is that what you did to me? You just threw our memories away?
Adam!
I let you go once already, Blake. I'm never making that mistake again.
Oh, what? You gonna kill her? Oh.
God, Andrew, Jesus. What's wrong with that guy? Jesus.
Yeah, he needs to get a grip. But hey, did you guys like that sneak peek of Genlock?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's alright, I guess.
So he's been stalking them the whole time. So weird. There wasn't too much that felt like it happened in this episode, except for like things went wrong. And Caviar, her name's Caviar. Caviar. I don't know if it's Maria or something like that. Caviar. But she. It's funny because they says that the other person's, but the two old women in this series are crazy.
Yeah, they're like
they're
the
both
other one,
crazy.
The other one's savage. The other one's just
crazy.
Yeah, it's still crazy. They're both crazy.
Tell us in the comments. I'm pretty sure she's supposed to be the Red Queen, right?
The one who's...
That's how she seemed like. Then the two other guys were supposed to be like
They're
the
hard
cars.
lackeys,
They
yeah.
acted very much like them. It's, you can tell me in the
Yeah, that would
comments
be
if
a
I'm wrong
reference,
or
yeah,
not.
don't you
So I
think?
really feel like that's what they're referencing. Like her whole thing of order
Yeah.
and maintaining and things like that. It really seems very
The only
much like.
thing that's missing is her saying off with their head.
Yeah. Maybe it was a
I don't
direct
know.
way of saying...
Like
I know they brought it up or
like she doesn't listen to anything what anyone says. Like it's what she says it goes.
I mean, if it does reference that, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's just the problem is that the only reason I would say it doesn't is how they look. She doesn't resemble, unlike everyone else, they resemble that kind of stuff.
They're
She
fairy
does.
tales.
Yeah, they resemble the fairy tale slightly at least, except for her.
Has there been Alice? Like, kind of.
Oh no, Atlas fairy tale.
Alice.
I don't say Alice.
No, I'm talking about
I know. I like if
character
there's been a
based
character based
off
on
Alice.
Alice. I don't think so.
Yeah, 'cause I don't think they've done that yet.
Yeah, but I guess Luke should be
But yeah. Alright, yeah, not much happened until the giant mech showed up.
Yeah, and then Adam showed up. Who we talked about.
Adam, his favorite character.
But alright, if you like that video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to catch more of our videos, and comment down below on any videos or series you want us to watch in the future. With that said, see ya.
Thank you for watching.